Good morning, students. Welcome to the online lecture of our class 4 maths. So, today we are going to see this topic, try doing this, in which we will discuss some of the questions. Okay. So, let's start with question number A, that is 65 divided by 5. Okay. So, we have discussed which method we are going to use. Okay, in the last lecture we have seen that. So first, let's start from, for example, 10. Okay. So now what we have, 5 tens are 50. Okay. It is clear? Yes. So 5 tens are 15. How much remainder? That is 15. Okay. Now what we will do? We can go for plus here and then we can go for 3. So 5 threes are 15. Okay. And the remainder will be 0. Okay, so what we can do, we can divide 65 first by dividing 10 5 times. Okay, then we will get 50 and the remaining 15 we will divide by giving 3 times 5 to each one. Okay, now the next question we have is 84 divided by 2. Okay, 84 divided by 2. Okay, so let's start with the bigger number this time. Let's directly go for the 40. Okay, so 40 into 2 will be 80, right? So remainder will be 4. Now here plus sign as usual. Now for 4, which number we will need here? 2. Okay, so 2 twos are 4, which will give us remainder 0. Okay, so 40 plus 2. The next we have is 69 divided by 3. 69 divided by 3. Okay, so let's go for here 20. So 20 into 3 will be 60, right? Now here the remainder will be 9. So here plus sign and then 3 threes are 9 and the remainder will be 0. Okay, the next we have is 90 divided by 6. 90 divided by 6. Okay, so let's start from 10. 10 into 6 will be 60. So remainder will be 30. Okay, so here plus sign, then 6 fives are 30. So here 6 fives are 30, which will give us the answer 0. Okay, the next we have is 72 divided by 4. So 72 divided by 4. Then let's go for 10 here first. So 4 tens are 40. The remainder will be 32. Okay, and we know in the table of 4 where the 32 comes. So 4 8s are 32. So the remainder will be 0. Okay, so 10 plus 8 will be the answer. Next we have is 108 divided by 9. Okay, 108 divided by 9. So here 9 tens are 90. So the remainder will be 18 here. Okay, plus sign here. Then 9 twos are 18. Okay, so here 0 will come. So 10 plus 2 will be the answer. Next we have is 232. 232 divided by 2. Okay, 232 divided by 2. Let's try to solve that. Let's start from a very big number, that is 100. Okay, so 2 into 100 will be equal to 200. So remainder will be 32. Now again let's go for example 15. So 15 into 2 will be 30. So 2 will be remaining here. Then plus 1. 2 ones are 2. So here you will get remainder 0. So this is how we can do this type of division and can get the answer in the form of addition. In your homework, you have to do example number H, 428 divided by 2. Thank you.